What's going on, family? It's your boy here, Rye at NLF757, trying not to be too loud because my dad's still in the bed. But I am here meal prepping breakfast and lunch for the next couple of days. We got homemade McDonald's, but it's 20 times healthier and better. We got my version of, my version of egg McMuffin with Swiss cheese and banana slices. Then we got right now the ground beef, but this is all vegan. This is veggie grind. Making vegan spaghetti, zucchini noodles, and I'm making my sauce from scratch. That's the water boiling. It's not really boiling, but that's because I've been preoccupied doing other stuff, so I don't want to move too fast. And I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna get this cooked up and, you know, show y'all some of the steps and then the final product at the end of the video. I'm cooking. I'm gonna put these in the skillet, and these are also vegan. Tomatoes is boiling. It boiled so much that the skin peeled off, which is what I'm looking for. They're just soaking in cold water now. It's gonna help the separation of the skin from the body of the tomato. So, you know, advance in making the sauce, it'll be an easier process. I got 4 more to boil, and then I can go to the next step with the homemade sauce. Spaghetti sauce. The video I watched recommended. I'm doing a whole onion, so I'm meal prepping for about another week. With a whole red onion, not red onion, sweet onion. And I'm just slicing it and preparing it for when I'm ready to dice it and then saute it. Alright, y'all, so now we have everything mixed in and cooking. We got the vegan meats, meatballs, mushroom, garlic, tomatoes, everything's mixing in there to make that spaghetti sauce. And I gotta add the parsley and let it simmer and cook. I think I need to add more tomatoes next time just to get more of that spaghetti sauce texture and consistency. But it's no problem, no biggie. I think I got Prego or some other sauce in the fridge, so I'll mix it in probably. So now I have finished product, excuse me, a lot of mucus. I now have the finished product of my vegan spaghetti meal prep, which consists of vegan spaghetti, vegan ground beef, which is just veggie crumbles, vegan meatballs, zucchini noodles, all veggies in there, and homemade from scratch sauce. We got like half a piece of bread, Italian bread, and then a cup of side salad. I'm gonna dig in, say my grace first. Amen. I said it in my head. I see y'all judging me. And I definitely want to try the meatballs more than anything, so get a little bit of the noodle, that zucchini noodle. I did that. A1. If y'all like this video, you already know to do like, comment, subscribe, share. I'm gonna start selling meal prep, so hit me up on NLF757 VA if you are local to the 757 area. I'm not shipping food. I'm not going that far. But I might sell my recipe. I might. Thinking about it, that would be a smart business move. But yeah, so thank y'all for watching.